it's your girl Chuck, and I am back with another video. I'm back with another video. And from the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what's going down. I'm going to the Cowboy Carter Tour live from my hometown, Los Angeles, California, in Inglewood at the SoFi Stadium. I am going to see Beyonce. Beyonce Giselle Knowles Carter, aka Sir Rumi and Blue Ivy's mama, aka Miss Tina's daughter. Put some respect on Miss Tina's name, because without Miss Tina, there would be no Beyonce. And while we at it, Matthew Knowles' daughter, her daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana, Jay-Z's wife. Let me hear you say, hey, Miss Carter. Say, hey, Miss Carter. But what's crazy is the show was in, my damn ring light just cut off. What just happened? Anyways, what's crazy is the show is in 2 days and I ain't even got my outfit together. I don't know what nails I'm putting on. All I got is this damn hat. So I pretty much know I'm gonna wear red, white, and blue, or something that coordinates well with this hat. But yeah, so all I got is this damn hat. So I want to coordinate my nails with the hat. The silver that's in the hat, I think I'm gonna put on these nails that I got from Temu like a year ago. I never put them on, so I think we're gonna go with these. I'm also gonna put these on my toes because I don't know if I'm gonna wear some shoes with my toes out or if I'm gonna do some cowboy boots, but either way, I'm gonna make sure my toes is together as well. So these are the nails, these are the toes, and then we just gotta work on the fit. I am super excited to be going to see Beyonce. Y'all just don't understand. Beyonce is one of my favorite artists. I've always wanted to see her in concert, but I was never in a real good, financially stable place to be able to afford a good ticket to see her. So kudos to me for, you know, just staying diligent and working hard and moving myself up in life to the point where I can now do the things that I've always wanted to do and be able to afford them without, you know, putting myself in a financially bad space, because Beyonce tickets are not cheap. And although I am not all the way in the front, I'm definitely not doing the nosebleeds at Beyonce concert. I want to enjoy the Beyonce experience. So this was kind of a last minute thing, so I couldn't get all the way to the front, but girl, we got a good seat where we could see everything, so I'm so excited. So I'm thinking, since I got a red, white, and blue hat with silver accents, we do the silver nails. We do like a white t-shirt like I got on right now, jean jacket, blue jeans to go with the jean jacket, and then a good red, white, and blue boot, or I don't know what kind of shoes I'm gonna get, but maybe a silver shoe. I don't know, but we gonna figure it out and it's gonna be cute.
So let's jump into the nail tutorial section of this video. Like I said, these nails are from Temu. I did get handmade nails, which are a lot more durable and they're more like Gel X nails, and all the designs that are on the nails are hand painted, so they're a lot different from the regular factory nails that are on Temu. You only get 10 in the pack and you have to pick according to your nail size. So I got these nails in a size large because I have wide nail beds. So I started off with some nail prep. I just used the nail file that came with the nails to gently remove that shiny layer from the top of my natural nails. When you do that step, it makes your nails adhere a lot better and last longer when you apply your nail glue. And that nail glue that I was just showing you guys is a brush-on nail glue, which is also from Temu. Brush-on nail glue is a lot easier to work with, and I feel like it's easy to apply. So that's why I love me a good brush-on nail glue. And all I'm doing is just dabbing the glue onto my natural nail, making sure that I have a nice bubble of glue, because if you don't apply enough glue, your nails are definitely not going to stick well and they'll end up coming off. And then I lined that press-on nail up with my cuticle area. I gently pressed into the cuticle first, and then I press in the center of the nail. And then I also press against the side walls of my nails. You never want to just press and hold against one area. You want to make sure you're pressing all areas of your nails so that you have full coverage press and your nails will really stick well in all areas from the cuticle to the sidewall to the edge of your nails. And I do that process for about 20 to 30 seconds just to ensure everything is stuck on there really well. So if you just press your nail down and hold it for 10 seconds and let it go, most likely your nails are not going to last long. But if you do what I just told you to do for at least 20 to 30 seconds, your nails will definitely last long. My nails typically last anywhere from 10 to 14 days. That's when I do keep them on that long. I like to switch my nails out pretty much after about maybe 5 days to a week. I'm ready to put on another set. So if you want your nails to last long, do not skip any of the steps that I just showed you. And this is how the nails are looking so far, and they are looking so good and professional, like I got them done by a nail tech or went to the nail salon. Honey, nobody would ever know that these are press-on nails unless I told them. Like, I still have these nails on, mind you. I'm doing my edits and voiceovers about a week after I went to the concert and put these nails on. So I still have them on to this day, and I've gotten so many compliments. Oh my God, your nails are so cute. Who did them? And I'm like, girl, me. And they are press-on nails. Like, I'll be so excited to tell people that these are press-on nails. They be like, girl, stop lying. And I'll be like, no, these are press-on nails. They be like, oh my God, where do you get your nails from? And of course I tell them where I got them from, and they just be in awe, like, oh my goodness, how did I not know about these nails? And then I'm like, girl, you better subscribe to my YouTube channel. And speaking of that, if you are viewing this video right now and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next videos are gonna be dropping. But this is the finished look of the nails. I literally just had to put them on. I didn't have to do nothing extra to these nails. They are already made and just ready for you to put on. Like, look how bomb these are. I highly recommend Temu's handmade nails. I'm going to try to find the link to these nails because, like I said, I've been sitting on these nails for about a year and I had never applied them. But if I find the link, I will put it in the description of this video. And I'm just doing the nail test right here so you guys can see how good that glue got these nails stuck on. They are not going nowhere, no time soon. That glue is a really good glue. I've used it many times with many different nail sets and it never has failed me. And this is how my right hand turned out, and it's looking so good as well. And I also did my toes. I literally just applied my toes the same way that I apply my nails, and you can't tell me it don't look like I got a fresh pedicure from the nail salon. Look at my toes. Don't look at them too hard. Y'all know, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, y'all know how I feel about my toes. Don't look at them too hard, but the toes definitely came out good as well. And we ready to go see Beyonce. Cowboy Carter, here we come. So I was able to put together a little 1-2 for my outfit, and then I hit the road to drive to LA. Like I said, I'm from LA, but I don't live in LA anymore. I live about an hour and a half away. So I finally pulled up to Inglewood, up to no good, and yes, we are here at the SoFi Stadium to see my girl Beyonce. Look at me, looking all cute and stuff, okay, period.
I'm always doing things at the last minute, and I was trying to find me some cowboy boots, and I could not find none in my size or none that I really liked, so I didn't even have no cowboy boots on. But the outfit was giving. You know, I had my red, white, and blue Cowboy Carter hat on, and I just tied some red, white, and blue flag bandanas onto my jeans, and the body is bodying, so that's all that matters. So after we got in, they gave us this cute Cowboy Carter wrist light, and Beyonce was also giving out free samples of her whiskey brand, Sir Davis. Hi, do I just grab one, or how does what?
Yes, grab one.
Oh, okay.
And a drink.
Oh, both of them?
Double trouble, baby.
Let me just go ahead and pour that in there like that. That's how we gonna do that right there. Thank you. I'm in D3.
D3?
Yeah, on the floor, D3.
Oh, it's the floor. Go
Yeah.
that way. That's at floor level.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Oh, floor access. Here we go. Yes, girl. Yes, who we came to see? You. Okay, outfit. Oh my God. My seat is so good. It's so good. That's the stage right there. This my section right here. Is this D3?
It is the second.
Okay. When the lights went off and the dancers walked on that stage to get ready to do their thing, the crowd started going crazy. I was losing it because I'm like, oh my God, Beyonce about to come out. Girl, we hear you loud and clear. And there she is, the one and only Queen Beyonce. And honey, the mic was on. I don't care what people say about Beyonce, they cannot deny her vocal ability. And when I tell y'all Blue Ivy came out there and served and ate down, she ate and left with no crumbs on that plate. She cleared that plate. Just like her mama. She Beyonce's daughter, so it's in her. But look at this part when Blue Ivy did her solo. I was like, yes, baby B, get it, Blue girl. You better walk. You better walk it out, girl. I was so glad I got a good seat to where I can record the Jumbotron, and then I can also see everything that's going on the stage, because girl, look at the dancers. Look at Blue. She about to tear it up. Ow, up, ow, up, ow. Swing it, twirl, whirl, whirl, clap. Twirl, whirl, whirl, clap, and boom. Cack and up and down and in. Ah, ooh, yeah, get it, girl. Get it, bow, get it, Blue, baby, go, hey. Deja Vu is one of my favorite Beyonce songs, so to see Blue Ivy doing the dance steps that her mom did in this video before she was even born, it was just such a beautiful thing to see her daughter just blossoming and growing so much. She did so good. I feel like a proud auntie. And tell me why me and Beyonce was twinning with the same hat on. Okay, twin.
So that just solidified the fact that I picked the perfect hat. And this was such a sweet moment between Beyonce and Rumi and Blue. She was singing Protector to her baby girl. This is when she was performing Two Hands to Heaven, which is one of my favorite songs from the Cowboy Carter album. But Bucking is my absolute favorite song on the Cowboy Carter album, so I was going crazy. It's so many moments that I just had to live in without recording, but Beyonce did not disappoint. And this was towards the end of the show when she went flying through the crowd in this vehicle, and this was such a beautiful moment, and her voice is just so amazing. The show was amazing, and I just really enjoyed it. I'm so glad I got the opportunity to go see Beyonce live, and this was the ending of the show. She did her victory walk down that runway, and you could just feel the energy in the room. And I had to pan over to the Jumbotron, and you could just see the look of just happiness and accomplishment on her face. And she knows she killed it. She is beautiful, and the body is bodying. Beyonce is really the queen. She's really that girl, and I am just so glad that I was able to be in the same room and experience this concert. It was absolutely everything.
Thank you for all of you.